We got the best Christmas deals or tool deals at the Loves. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more tool reviews videos so you guys will miss the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is the gift center or the gift zone, however you want to call this. 1997 weatherproofing floating light and the focusing light. So this is kind of like a pen light, rechargeable mini pen light, 360 lumen, USB type C. And then here's the other one, lantern style, Lux Pro. Very portable lights. Screwdriving bit set, 47 piece. And then you got this drilling bit set for $888.98. Here's the drilling bit set or the impact driver set. Alright, so you got some 4-volt bit screwdriver and a pivoting screwdriver. $24.98 and $29.98. So this one does pivot. Does have some accessories there so you guys can hang up a picture frame or something. Alright, so this one new lower price, $5.98, down from $8.98. Some scissors, 2-piece. And then this with the scraper or just a regular knife. It does convert either or, $19.98. Do have that one. I really do like the scraper style. So $169, they still have the K-Stack storage system for the Cobalts. You buy the $269 save $75, buy the $199 saves $50, buy the $99 save $20. Definitely the Goldilocks or the, pretty much good for everybody. And then you got the, the Pro level, the brand new Pro level here for $199. Save you spend $349 save $100, spend $249 save $70, spend $149 save $30. So there you go. One of the best deals or one of the best boxes out there. And then we got the Flex $219 for the 3-piece. You spend $369 save $120, spend $299 save $90, spend $199 save $50. So definitely the $369 is going to get you the best deals. Same thing with the other ones. And this is how the gift zone looks like. With all the major brands on the back. $14.98 with the 3-piece folding utility knife. It's like a fastback style. Very inexpensive. Grab one for each truck. $9.98, 25-piece folding hex key set. That was pretty good. $14.98 for the 23-piece hex key set. That's the way this 25-piece looks like. And the quality, pretty good quality, pretty decent. That's the star bits. And then $59.98 for the 126-piece mechanics tool set. Now this one does come with a clear case. I really like that. It very easy to see what's inside without opening the case. You got the sockets, you got the bit drivers there, and some security bits. Definitely something weird to find on these kits. Alright, this one's new actually. It does have like some sort of wood handle. It says Cobalt and it's a fastback style. And they want a little bit more than that, than the regular one. So $19.98 for the screwdrivers. Definitely think it's a great deal on these. You get the precision screwdrivers there in the middle, labeled on different colors. And the offset screwdrivers. Alright, so $9.98 for the 3-in-1 folding utility knife with storage. And the $9.98 for the subcompact folding utility knife. Yeah, like a fastback style. Very compact, easy to flip. It does have a button there, the yellow button. Alright, so you got the organizer for $9.98 down from $12.98. Now this one does come empty. It does not come with the stuff that you see there. Still pretty good size for $12. Not bad. $89.98 for the sharp knife and tool sharpener. Now if you guys have a lot of knives, this is the tool for you. Alright, so $9.98 for the 10-piece T-shank jigsaw blade, and $12.98 for the bit, or the drilling bit set there. That's the drilling bit, 7-piece. And then you got the saw blade or the reciprocating saw blades for $9.98, and hammer drill masonry bits. All right, so this you got this toolbox, Craftsman ball bearing drawers. This one's on clearance for $701, down from $779. And then we got the new lower price on this one. Generac $389, 6,500 watts, $799, down from $1099. Big discount on that. Wood drain spades, Razorback $10, down from $42. Guys, always check out the shovel section here, the hand tool section. There's a whole bunch of clearance. Just from rakes, all kinds of shovels and trenches and all that stuff. And here's a shovel, wood dig shovel there for $19, down from $34. That's a pretty good deal on that one. Alright, so you got this mower, 40 volt max rear wheel drive. This one's down to $329 from $429 clearance. You got this combo, blower and string trimmer combo. This one's $129, down from $149. And then you got these blades on clearance, $24 each. 12-inch or 10-inch, depending on which miter saw you have. You got this broom. Now this one's $19.97, down from $24.98. It's like a broom style. You got a Pro Series 600 cover, $24.98 for the grills. And then you got another type of same mower that we saw earlier. This one's $299, down from $329. 5 amp hour battery. Brushless mower. You got a dryer vent brush. 5. Now this one you could use for something else if you're gonna want to use it for a dryer vent. Alright, you got this pots. Now that we're getting the Black Friday is over, then we're starting to see all these clearance prices. Same thing with this Cobalt fan, 40 volt, $55. That's actually a pretty good deal, down from $39. If you guys have those batteries. And then you got these precision screwdrivers, 1537. This is the clearance section, by the way, down from $33. You got an air ratchet Cobalts. This one's $23.97, down from $59. And then you got this over the range, this range, 375 CFM, 30-inch, $65, guys, down from $328. That is a heck of a savings right there. Yeah, I believe the cheapest is like 120 bucks. And then you got this Coast, 410 lumen, 104 foot. And then you got this traditional style flashlight, 1200 lumen, 721 foot. Save your knees, guys. Always invest in your safety. $10.98. That's actually a pretty good deal for saving up your knees. $99 your choice here. You got DeWalt kits, sander, a Bluetooth radio, a light. All those come with batteries and chargers. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals on these. Great stocking stuffers or just additional. Somebody there already has the yellow brand. Alright, so you got the buy one get one free. You buy any of the ones on the kit and receive one of these tools for free. These are all the tools that qualify, and then that's the $199 kit that you have to buy. They are still available. There's plenty available. $25.98 for the 110 piece. This is actually a pretty good deal. It's half price. It does have some extension bits there to the right. Looks like a magnetic sleeve, a bit holder, some 2-inch bits, lots of 1-inch bits. I already got the BOGO deals from the DeWalt's yellow tools. You got the 2 5 amp hour batteries starter kit, get you one free tool, or the 2 power stack 5 amp hour will get you one free tool. And then if the tool kit that's $449 will get you 2 free tools, and they're all brushless tools. So you got the impact wrench, the router. Well, actually, not all of them are brushless tools. So the impact wrench is. That is the 2 power stack combo, and then you got the 5 amp hour starter kit there for $199, and then you got the $449 there for the bottom. Alright, so $12.98 for the 32 piece Bosch set, $99 for the brushless drill driver kit. So you get some 2-inch bits there, some drilling bits, and that is the drill bit, the drill drill and impact driver, guys, for $129. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. These are 18 bolts. Definitely check it out. A great comp kit for $129. We got a 40 piece. So this is actually pretty nice too. If you guys like this brand, got some extension bits, a bit holder, and some 2-inch bits there, and some 1-inch bits there to the right. Some nut drivers, a socket adapter, some Robertsons, and some stars. You got 34.98 double hook take mag. So let's look at the quality on this thing. It is labeled on both sides. I really like the labels. Very easy to see. And it does have the hook there. Different style hook. You got the Flex 24 volt 4-tool combo kit and the 5 ampere starter kit. Stack lithium starter kit and get a free bare tool. This deal runs on to the January 31st. This is one of the kits that you guys could buy for $3.99 and get yourself a free tool. It's actually a pretty good kit. Flex is a good brand. Alright, same thing with the DeWalt's. You buy the 24 Max XR 5 ampere starter kit, or the power stack kits. We just saw that, or the 4-tool combo kit, get a free bare tool. It's pretty much the same as the one we just saw. It's just this one's at the DeWalt section. This deals run to January the 1st, or the 3rd, 2024. I already got the Cobalt, same thing. You buy the 4 ampere starter kit, get a free tool, or the 4-tool combo kit, get a free tool. Definitely worth it, guys. These are all brushless tools, and for the Cobalts, same thing. January the 3rd, 2024. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a safe weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.